Caught in a cycle of relentless dry coughing, it's high time we tackle this together. First, maintain hydration. Drink ample amounts of water, herbal teas or broths to soothe that irritated throat. Second, inhale steam. It's an oldie but a goldie. Steam can help moisten your throat and ease your cough. Third, consider honey. A teaspoon of honey before bedtime can work wonders. Remember, it's not suitable for children under 1 year. And finally, if your cough persists for more than a week, seek medical advice. It could be a sign of a more serious condition. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep those coughs at bay. Tune in for more health hacks right here.